If you're on the lookout for a job and you're using LinkedIn to help you out, I've got some awesome tips for you. We're going to talk about things you should avoid doing if you want to make the best impression on potential employers. Let's get into it. Firstly, it's your girl Pamela. If you're new to my channel, happy to have you here. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button so more people can benefit from the knowledge I'll be sharing in this video. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. One thing you should make sure you avoid on your LinkedIn is one, including actively looking for a new job in your headline on LinkedIn. I know you're desperately looking for a job and you feel like screaming, "Hey, I'm looking for a job." But that strategy is not effective, trust me. The truth is, your LinkedIn headline is like a mini introduction to who you are and what you're about. Writing actively looking for a new job might seem like a good idea, but it is better to showcase your skills and interests instead. It's like telling people, "Hey, I'm more than just job hunting." Go for something like aspiring graphic designer or future software engineer to grab attention. We advise, go bold. Take a certification, right? You've gotten your hands dirty on some projects, right? You've done something, some freelancing, but maybe you're just looking for a 9-to-5 or a corporate job. Go bold and write graphic designer, software engineer, because you earned it. Number two thing I want you to avoid is using that open to work badge. That green open to work badge frame might seem cool, but it can actually limit your chances. Now, hear me out. Employer might think that you're just looking for any job, like any job, not one that matches your skill. So if I'm thinking that, trust me, another person is thinking that. Instead, let your headline, LinkedIn profile do the talking for you. They're like your personal brand, showing who you are and what you're interested in. Instead, turn open to work on and choose recruiters only. Another thing I advise you should not do, a lot of people do that. I really don't know why. Why do you leave your about section and experience blank? My brand actually specializes in optimizing LinkedIn profile for people. We've done for companies, big brands, personal brands. I mean it. Why? Think of your LinkedIn profile as your digital resume. Leaving the about section and experience blank is like leaving a book with no title or chapters. Potential employers won't know much about you. Take a few minutes, take a few hours really, to write a short but an awesome about section and list your skills and experience. It is your chance to shine. Or you can send us an email at pamela.thedesigner@yahoo.com. We can help you out. Send my team an email. We can help you work on your LinkedIn profile. Be it a company profile, your personal profile, we can do magic for you. Fourth thing you should avoid on your LinkedIn. We all did it, actually did it. When you're on LinkedIn and you're just like applying, especially when you see easy to apply, you just keep applying, you up to 300 jobs because it's easy to apply, and once you're done, you're feeling cool, but the next day you'll be getting emails like, "We're sorry, we're going ahead with your application." Fine, you know that you did not put in much work in the application, right? But still, that rejection email, you're expecting it, but somehow it still dampens your spirits. But I would advise you to avoid applying for 300 easy to apply jobs. Don't apply if you're not qualified. I don't mean that you have to be 100% qualified, right? Applying for job is exciting, but remember, quality over quantity. Applying for 300 jobs might sound impressive. It's a game of numbers, right? But if you're not a good fit, where does that leave you? But focus your strength on job that matches your skills and your interests. It's like aiming your slingshot at the right target rather than shooting randomly. So there you have it, young and vibrant aspiring employee. I am rooting for you. Just avoid these common mistakes and you will stand out in the competitive world of LinkedIn job hunting. Remember, it's about just showcasing your skills, making a good impression, and finding the right opportunities. Good luck on your journey to landing your dream job.